Okay, so let's work out on how to install a UPS. All right. So there's going to be a power shortage or outage at your area of work, and you need to install the UPS as soon as possible. All right. So without wasting much time, let's go into the lab. So the first instruction is to add a UPS to the computer. So you come to outlet. All right. So we drag it, drop it there. That's our UPS. We need to connect it to the wall outlet. Alright, so we are done. Next one is to plug the computer and the monitor cable, power cables. Here is it. So just pull it and plug it here. Alright, then we come to the monitor. The cable is here. Pull it and drop it there. Okay, so there's also a printer that side. You need to add the power cable of the printer to the wall, the UPS. Alright, so you put it somewhere here. Okay, so now we can power on our UPS. Okay, so we have to connect the network cable. Okay, so we turn from the top to the side of the UPS. Let me zoom in. Already this one is connected to the computer, so we just drag and we drop it here. There's one more RJ45 cable here. Drop it here, then drop it here to the network port on the wall outlet. Right. So the next one is to connect the USB cable to the UPS in the computer. Alright, so the port here is here. Alright, let's come to the system unit or the computer, turn to the back, and then you put the USB type A there. Here. So that is it. Let's try and power on our computer. This one is on. Let's power on the monitor as well. Alright, so you can see it's on. Alright, so let's pull out the UPS and see if our computer is still going to be on. Alright, our computer is still on. So that is it. Let's check our score. Yeah, father, we are 6/6, so we can score this lab. And that is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. Drop a comment for the next video or topic you want. Alright.